Matt, let's talk about this oil story and how worried you are about all of this, especially here in the Philippines. We also had, apart from just the oil prices, the peso weakening. We've also got the balance of payments at a deficit, as we are, of course, an importer of oil. But nevertheless, it doesn't necessarily seem to be rocking Wall Street when you look at the overnight performance that they're still at record highs despite this whammy.
Yeah, I think inflation is very top of mind for investors in every market right now, and I think it will be the dominant theme uh, for next year. Uh, you're right. Risk is still, it's still very risk on across markets. But if we look a little deeper, we are now seeing repricing in Fed hikes. Right, investors are largely expecting the Fed to hike much earlier than previously expected. Uh, Naturally, we're gonna feel that here in the Philippines too, with markets urging the BSP to keep up with the Fed. So this is going to be a huge economic theme, I think, moving next year. So it's definitely something to watch. It's something to be concerned about.
Okay, but how about the energy companies? We've seen quite a rally in that just simply because of the supply shortages that we've been seeing, particularly in coal, and of course the demand of electricity going up as we try and reopen the economy. Is this, a fundamental or a start of what might be a rally in energy stocks, or is this just a knee-jerk reaction on the prices of oil, which might actually be paring down?
I do believe this is the start of a sustained rally. Because what we've seen over the last several years, a lot of these oil stocks, a lot of these energy stocks were very unloved, right? They were very underinvested. No one wanted to be, an investor in coal or any of these, like, uh, I guess, environmentally unfriendly industries. And that has led to a cyclical underinvestment in these names. So
Mm.
that has led to, of course, undersupply also. So now we as a society are feeling the blowback of that cyclical underinvestment. So we have a lot of catching up to do in terms of building out supply again. So I do think this is going to be a resurgence in these energy stocks.